Hi there, I'm Zack with FTx. In this session, we'll look at configuring system restrictions to handle things like local blue laws. So let's dive in. If you operate a store in a jurisdiction that has sales restrictions based on something like the time of the day or the day of the week, you know what a pain it can be to ensure compliance. So we commonly see this with alcohol sales. It can't be sold on Sundays, or it can't be sold any day between 1 a.m. and 6 a.m. So we feel the same pain and built something to help. With FTx, you can create a sale restriction to ensure compliance. You simply set the schedule, which would define the days and times of these restrictions, and then select which items are restricted. Like other modules, you can choose items based on any filter, like be a department, a category, or a tag. Once configured, if the cashier attempts to sell an item during the restricted time, the POS will stop them. It'll show them a message explaining why the item can't be sold and the item will not be added to the sale. So hopefully this FTx facts helps you stay on the good side of the law. Thanks for watching.